GANI pioneered a new porcelain category, marble tiles, in 2009 and now become the world's leading company of marble tiles industry. The sales network covers 72 countries, including Canada, Australia, Qatar, Sweden, Singapore, Kazakhstan, Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Russia, etc. With 600 plus global franchised stores, GANI delivers its quality products and solution to world's famous hospitality, residential and commercial projects, serving for Hilton, Marriott and fancy commercial buildings. Hilton Hotel in Santa Marta, Colombia. W Hotel in Melbourne, Australia. Lexis Imperial in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. MK Hotel in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. The Cap Hotel in Vung Tau, Vietnam. Hotel in Tour in Khabarovsk, Russia. Algebra Twin Tower and Lusail in Doha, Qatar. Morskaya Residencia in St. Petersburg, Russia. Jakarta Airport, Indonesia. Proposed compound villas at Tsar Abdulaziz Mubarak in Bahrain. Plano in Bangkok, Thailand. We've got more projects under construction. Established long-term cooperative relationship with many domestic benchmarking real estate groups, including Poly, Country Garden, Bank, Greenland, etc. Let's expect GANI new production base with total investment of over 1 billion RMB, covering 1 million square meters areas and having 9 fully intelligent production lines. Production capacity is expected to increase by 30 million square meters. With the sense of awe, the fingerprint of God is carved from the hand of nature. A decade of continuous innovations, just for presenting the best side, to share the beauty of nature with more of you. From 2009 to 2019, from China to the world. This is a journey of time and space, as well as a lifelong journey of GANI. Many thanks for your continued efforts and support of GANI brand's promotion. And we are excited to work with you for the great time coming. Making best aside as lifelong mission. GANI Marble Tiles.